Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Ana Francesca Acosta, 37 years old from Kawayan City, Isabela, Philippines. I am married with 2 daughters, ages 17 and 18, and 1 granddaughter. I am 155 cm in height and 62 kilos in weight. I studied Bachelor of Science in Nursing for 2 years.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work as a nanny in Hong Kong for 2 years and 4 months. A total of 4 family members, including the couple and 9-month-old twins. I do focus on the twins. From preparing their breakfast, waking them up, help them to get ready going to school. I do also assisting them going to their activities like swimming class, music class, Japanese class, and other activities. I also work as a domestic helper in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia for 2 years, which I serve a total of 12 family members, including 1 elderly couple, 4 adults, 6 children, ages 3, 6, 7, 9, 10, and 11. I do focus on household chores, which is cleaning, cooking, washing the clothes, ironing, and assisting the elderly couple.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
When the baby is sick, I will check their temperature, and I will tell my employer to inform what's happening to the baby.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking, honest, and responsible, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, sir, I have tattoo in my left arm, which is 1 by 2 in size, and in my right hand, 1 by 1.
Okay. Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
Yes, sir, cesarean section, 17 years ago.
Okay. Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to provide for my family, especially my daughters, and to secure our financial and to be financially stable in the future.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will think that it's all for my family to support them.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will make them calm first.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, sir. I know, and I'm willing to learn more.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I'm a hardworking, trustworthy, and I will follow all your rules and regulations. And I promise to serve your family with all my heart. Thank you.